welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a video with my new look, I guess you could call it. You guys, I'm starting to get used to this bangs, but it's hard, I'm not gonna lie. Today we are filming a makeup tutorial, of course, and I kind of wanted to film something different. I'm always filming like brown tones, you know, do something different. I've gotten so many compliments from you guys telling me that my hair looks amazing, which I freaking love. You guys are the best. So let's get started with this video. As always, we'll leave everything linked down below. I never see people like covering their hair whenever they put spray, but I hate getting my hair wet, especially when I make an effort on styling it. I don't want it to get all messed up and wet. We have a new foundation to try today, which I'm actually a little bit excited. I mean, I did try it once, but to be quite honest, today that I tried it, it was so cold. The weather was so freezing cold that I actually forgot how it looked on me. I didn't check anything, so I guess we're gonna test it out today again because I haven't tested it. But today I'm using my custom palette from Colourpop, and let me just say I got so many people requesting a makeup look on this. So I know it has like summer vibes type of color, but I kind of wanted to do like an icy blue type of color in my eyes that had to do with winter, I guess, because winter is already here and is approaching. So didn't know that you had to shake this. Did I see a difference? Well, I kind of do, because I feel like now it looks more liquidy whenever I shake it. I have a buddy over here. I feel like precisely now when I have a trip planned, which now I can actually talk about it because by the time you guys see this, the trip will be gone. I'm going back to Puerto Rico and I'm gonna visit my mama and my dad. I miss them so much, to be quite honest. I didn't think that this was gonna be really hard being far away from my family, but sometimes I wish I had them all here. My boyfriend's family, mine's, everybody. I mean, eventually they probably will come over here because Puerto Rico is just fucked up, I have to say the word. I'm trying to make them more thinner and less thick because I noticed that in my pictures I used to make them so thick. I literally look like I had James Charles eyebrows. I'm gonna take concealer. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution concealer to prime my lids, and yes, I'm gonna start with my eyes first because I don't know if this, I've used it, and for what I've used it doesn't have fallout, but I haven't used the other colors. So the second one that I'm using is the Dominique Latte palette. I'm gonna use the shade Caramel, and it's this shade right here, and I'm gonna use it for my transition. Always go in tapping motions. I'm gonna go in with Pumpkin Spice, which is this orangey brown color. Such a beautiful color, and I'm gonna put it right on top. I kind of want to use these two, this one on the outer part. Backstage, it's like the royal blue. As I was saying, my trip, but by the time you guys see this video I will probably be back because we're leaving next week, and this video probably gonna upload it the week after I arrive, like, you know, the beginning of December. I'm excited for Vlogmas, you guys. I'm not doing Vlogmas. I mean, I've hinted here and there that I'm doing some of the days, not all of them, because I feel like I always say, my life is not that interesting, so I'm not gonna really do all 25 days because I feel like that's too much. We're actually going for Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving, and what better ways than to spend it with your family. I thought this was more pigmented, but I mean, it's not so pigmented. Wow. I know that I'm a little disappointed with this color. Like, it doesn't look that pigmented. So the blue. I like it, but I don't love it. I don't know, I feel like these blues don't go together, you know, these two. Okay, so I kind of blended it in a little bit towards the inner part, like I brought it up to here. Okay, so this is a new foundation that I'm trying today. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation. It has vitamins, wow. My shade is Buff Beige. I did remember that, I think it was my perfect shade. Oh god, it's definitely full coverage, and it is my perfect shade. This concealer, I forgot how much I love this concealer. Alright guys, I'm back. I was gone for a little while because I was finishing my eyes. I just finished the bottom of my eyes. As you guys can see, I put a little bit of pop of green color. I actually put this color. Oh, it's called La Playa. That's how it looks. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the butter bronzer. Physicians Formula butter bronzer. This is in the shade Sun Kissed. She cute. I don't like going that ham. I always use different blush brushes, like this one I've used, and I've used another one. I have it over there. But I always kneel back towards this one. I always put too much on this side. I'm gonna use... I try to use it very little times, like whenever, and I'm not going anywhere, but whenever I'm going out, this is the highlighter I have on if I want to look super glamorous, because I freaking love this highlighter. She did so good on this. You guys know I always go in with Forever Young and Glow Getter, mix them in together and apply it. I'm not using Fix Plus because this highlighter, she pigmented. I'm using the A23 from Anastasia. Watch and learn, ladies and gentlemen. Watch and learn. I'm gonna go with Ophelia. This is the final look. Let's do a montage. Honestly, I feel like this will top it off with the gloss, but I think I'm done here. We're done. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, hit the notification bell as well so you guys can be aware of when I upload. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Girl, you look so hot right now. Like, I'm in love with you. Like, I am in love with you because you look so good.